So right here I probably have one of the coolest devices that you're going to find for your shop, for your garage, for your boat, just about anywhere. And what it is a magnetic cup holder. Let's check it out. Alright, so I already pulled it out the box, but this is what it looks like when it comes out the box. You're going to get a manual. Then you have all the parts and components right here. We're going to pull all this out. Try not to break my desktop because this thing is metal. You can see that it is a set of 2. And you're also going to get 2 magnets. Now along with the 2 magnets, you can see that you're also getting a hardware kit and the Allen screws necessary to put this together. So I'm going to show you how to assemble this real quick. It's pretty cut and dry. Not very much guesswork to it. There are 2 different mounting options, so I'm going to put both of these together and I'm going to mount them in the 2 different ways. So all you're going to do is take one of your screws, you're going to set the holder on top of the magnet, and you're just going to screw right through the bracket directly into the magnet. They do have little lock washers included that you can put on there to make sure that it doesn't vibrate loose or come out. These would be great for tailgating too. If you're into tailgating and watching football, anywhere basically that you can think that they have metal surfaces and drinks combined, this is going to be your favorite device. And just that fast, we have 2 put together. Now you can see this one is made for a vertical mount and this one is for a horizontal mount. You had a classic car with a metal dashboard, you could just stick this right on there. If you were tailgating, you could stick it on the tailgate of your truck. If you want to put it on top of your toolbox or on a metal industrial shelf, you could. And you can also use this one in the same situations. You could stick it on the side of your toolbox. You could stick it on the side of the bed of your truck on the inside and hold your drink there. You can use it on your boat. You can use it in your camper. Just very, very handy. But what we're going to do is we're going to check out these magnets and see how tough they are and how well they're going to actually hold. So we're going to cut over to my cabinet behind me, which is metal, and we're going to hook both of these on there and see how tough they are. Okay, so here we are. This is the side, as you can hear, my metal cabinet. This is probably a perfect example for toolboxes, other metal cabinets. I mean, even if you were a teacher and you had a metal cabinet and you needed to hold your soda, it would be good for that. Just anywhere there's metal and drinks combined. Now, here's the first one. This is obviously the wrong way because this is the horizontal mount. But then we also have the vertical mount. You can tell that it has quite a bit of sticking power. And what's cool about the magnets is the magnets do have a rubber padding all the way around them. So you can drag them and slide them and they're not going to scratch up your surfaces. So that's a very nice feature as well. Now here's one of my larger tumblers. You can see that it fits in there, holds it, no problem. So plenty strong enough for that. If you were drinking on the job and you're not supposed to, it'll even hold a larger glass bottle as well. So I mean, they have plenty of strength. Can I get that back? So very nice additions to any workshop, to any garage, to any toolbox, to any tailgating setup, to any boat or boat house. It's just always nice to have cup holders. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.